Welcome everyone. I am C. Sambat Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rogudi College of Engineering and Technology, Palkulam, Kanyakumari. In this video, we are going to discuss about the subject AME 8651, Design of Transmission Systems. In this, we are going to discuss about the Unit 3 problems. Problem based on bevel gear. First, problem number 1. Design a bevel gear to transmit a 7 kW at 1600 rpm. The gear ratio is 3. Assume C45 steel for pinion and gear. The wheel is supported on both sides and the pinion is overhanging. Assume the life of drives is 10,000 hours. From the question, we have to write on the given data. Given data, power PV is equal to 7 kW. Speed N1 is equal to 1600 rpm. Transmission ratio or gear ratio, which is I is equal to 3. Material is equal to C45 steel. Life of a gear, which is 10,000 hours. To find out, design a bevel gear. Solution. Step number 1. Selection of material. From PhD data book, page number 8.5, we are taking the description material. Pinion material is C45 steel. For ultimate tensile strength is 630 Newton per mm square and compressive stress is 500 Newton per mm square and bending stress is 140 Newton per mm square and hardness value is 250. For both materials are same, so we are taking C45 steel. Therefore, the gear and pinion same values. Initial design talk from page number 8.15 PhD data book. MT is equal to 9740 into kilowatt divided by M. Substituting the value, we are getting 426.2125 kg of centimeter. We are converting into Newton per mm, that is 42612.25 Newton mm. For getting the value of MT square bracket, MT into KDK. For arm-centric scheme, we are taking KDK is equal to 0.5. So we are getting MT whole bracket is equal to 63931.875 Newton mm. Gear life N is equal to 10,000 into 60 into 1600. That is equal to speed RPM N1, which is equal to N is equal to 9.6 into 10 power 8 cycles. Step number 4. Minimum cone distance. From PhD data book, page number 8.3. R is greater than or equal to psi y, the whole bracket root of 1 plus I whole root of 1 divided by psi divided by sigma c the whole square. So we are substituting and getting the value R is equal to 109 mm. And the minimum model from the data book, page number 8.3a, M is greater than 1.28 PA. Therefore, we are getting that value MVA is equal to 2.28. By substituting all the values, we are getting MVA is equal to, then we are going to substitute the transverse model from page number 8.38. M is equal to M divided by psi y by psi m, which is we are getting that M is equal to 2.763 mm. The standard model M is equal to 3 mm from PhD data book, page number 8.2. Now we are going to find out the number of teeth on pinion and wheel. R is equal to Z1 by delta cos 1. We are getting the values. Z1 is equal to 22.97, which is converting into the even number. Therefore, 24 numbers. Then Z2 is equal to I into Z1, which is equal to 3 into 24. That is equal to Z2 is equal to 72 numbers. The actual cone distance, page number 8.38, R is equal to 0.5 into Z1 into MT into whole bracket I square plus 1, which is equal to 0.5 into 3 into square root of 3 plus 1. We are getting the R is equal to 113.842 mm, and we are converting that into 114 mm. The reference diameter from PhD data book 8.38. D1 is equal to MT into Z1, which is equal to 72 mm. It is like same wise D2 is equal to MT into Z2, which is equal to 3 into 72, that is 216 mm. Then face width from PhD data book, we are getting that two values for a face width. we are taking bigger value, therefore the value is b is equal to 38 mm. The pitch line velocity is equal to pi dva into n1 divided by 60 into 1000. So we are getting d for we are having formulas for dav. Substituting the value, we are getting that dav is equal to 60 mm, and we substituting the in velocity formula, we getting that velocity is equal to 5.026 meter per second. The revised design torque mt is equal to mt into kdk. By getting the value of kd and k, we are substituting and getting the empty whole bracket is equal to 67980.89 newton mm, and checking for induced stress. The formula is from page number 8.3 na and getting which is 482.48 newton per mm square. The allowance is 500 newton per mm square, which is less than the allowance. Therefore we are getting that the design is safe. Similarly, for a bending stress, from same page number, we are getting the induced stress is equal to 59.36 newton per mm square, and allowable stress is 140, which is less than the allowable stress. Therefore the design is safe. Then tip circle diameter, from page number 8.38, DAV is equal to m into mt into z1 plus cos 2 theta cos 1. The DAV is equal to 78 mm. Similarly for a DA2, we are getting 218 mm. And addendum angle, tan theta A1 is equal to tan theta TA2. We are getting formula, same formula, and we are getting the tan theta A1 equal to theta 8 is equal to 1.50. Then addendum angle, tan F1 is equal to, we are getting same, the theta F1 equal to F2 is equal to 1.8. Then tip angle, which is equal to 8.39 page number, and getting delta A1 is equal to 19.93935, and delta T8 is equal to 73.065. The root angle is F1, delta F1 is equal to delta F minus theta F1. We are getting delta F1 is equal to 16.635, and delta F2 is equal to 69.765. And tooth height, h is equal to hf plus ha, which is equal to m into m, so 1.2163 m, which is equal to 6.4 mm. Working depth 2 m is equal to 6 mm. Then these are the specifications of this obtained from the data. Thank you.